In this video, you'll learn how to generate HTML using Kimi AI. This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough of the process, ensuring you can effectively utilize this tool for your coding needs. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI interface, which features various options. Next, locate the prompt area on the interface. This is typically positioned prominently on the screen, inviting you to enter your instructions. You should see a text input box where you can type your commands. After that, type in the phrase generate HTML into the input box. Make sure to double check your spelling to avoid any errors. This instruction prompts Kimi AI to understand that you want it to create HTML code. Once you have entered the command, click on the Enter button on your keyboard or the corresponding button on the screen to submit your request. This action sends your instruction to Kimi AI, initiating the HTML generation process. At this point, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the HTML code. During this waiting period, you may see a loading indicator or a message confirming that your request is being processed. The duration of this step can vary based on the complexity of the request and the current server load. After the generation process is complete, Kimi AI will display the HTML code on your screen. You can review the output to ensure it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can copy the generated code for use in your projects. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.